Hi friends, I am Papia. I'm a fitness motivator at Healthy Recipes Fitness Tips channel. Today I'm going to discuss about chamomile tea and its health benefits, how to consume chamomile tea, who should not consume. Here you can see NutroVally Chamomile Tea. It is very easily available in Flipkart as well as in their website. Link I will give in the description box. If you want to lose weight, if you want glowing skin, or having digestion problem, having sleep related problem, if you are having very much stress in your life, so chamomile tea is a natural solution for it. This video is about chamomile tea. In this video I will discuss everything: what is chamomile tea, how to consume chamomile tea, who should not consume, when to consume, and what are the health benefits of chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is an herb that comes from the daisy-like flowers. Over the centuries, it is consumed as a natural remedy for several health conditions. Chamomile tea is an alternative to caffeine like black tea or green tea. If you compare chamomile tea with green tea, the taste of green tea is bitter, but the taste of chamomile tea is somewhat sweet. So those who are having this problem, they can consume chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is rich in antioxidants. It boosts our immunity, it reduces our stress level, it helps in weight loss, it aids digestion, it aids sleep, it reduces our anxieties, it controls our stress level. It also protects against several types of cancer. It is very good for your skin. If you want glowing skin, then you should consume chamomile tea. If you are having hair fall problem, then also you have to consume chamomile tea because it will reduce your stress levels. Stress is the big factor for hair loss and weight gain. It relieves anxiety and depression also. So friends, let's see how to make chamomile tea perfectly to get all the health benefits from it. Making chamomile tea, here I have added some water in a pan. All we need some warm water. Now I am switching off the gas. I am adding this water into a cup. Inside this box you will get total 25 tea bags. Now I will add this NutroVally Chamomile Tea with it. All you need to do, just dip it into the water. You can add some fresh lemon juice if you want. You can add some fresh mint leaves also. Here I am adding some fresh pudina leaf with it. You can add some organic honey, though honey is optional. So friends, our chamomile tea is ready. So friends, our chamomile tea is ready. You can see how easily we can make chamomile tea at our home, and the taste of chamomile tea also. It's too good. Friends, you can consume this chamomile tea in the night time before going to bed. Also, you can consume this chamomile tea after your lunch or after your breakfast in the morning. Who should not consume chamomile tea? Those who are having allergy with chamomile flower, they should not consume chamomile tea. Very few people only having this problem. Breastfeeding women, pregnant women, children, infants having severe health problems or under medication, they should not consume this natural herbal tea. So friends, I hope you understand what is chamomile tea and how to consume it, what are the health benefits of chamomile tea. So friends, go to the link given in the description box and buy this chamomile tea immediately to get all the health benefits of chamomile tea.